easiest 5 marks ever on GCSE Higher. If we're simplifying an algebraic fraction and we see pluses and minuses on the top and the bottom, our first step is we must factorise the top and the bottom before cancelling any common factors. On the top, as I have 3 terms, a quadratic in terms of x, therefore it's going to factorise into what we call double brackets. As the quadratic starts x squared, I know each bracket will start with single x. My rule is I need to find 2 numbers that multiply to give us the number term, and the same numbers must still add to give us the number in front of the single letter. If there's no number in front of the single letter, we know the number is 1. So hence negative x, number in front therefore is negative 1. The only way to get a negative when multiplying is to have 1 positive and 1 negative. You could list out the factors of 12 if you need to. So 1 and 12, 2 and 6, and 3 and 4. Only one pair will work. In this case, it's the 3 and the 4. As I need to add to give you a negative 1, therefore it has to be plus 3 and negative 4. On the bottom, again, if we've got 3 terms, a quadratic in terms of x, we know it's going to factorise into double brackets. As this quadratic starts 2x squared, well, 2 is prime. The only way to get 2x squared is for one bracket to start 2x and a bracket to start single x. As we're asked to simplify, and both the top and the bottom are factorised into double brackets, we know at least one pair from the top and bottom must cancel. But looking at the bottom, this first single bracket on the bottom starts 2x, whereas neither of the top brackets start with 2x. This bracket on the bottom simply cannot cancel. Therefore, this bracket here on the bottom right must be the one that's going to cancel. So we know inside this bracket, it's either have plus 3 or negative 4. But as I need 2 numbers in the bottom that multiply to give us negative 20, well, 3 is not a factor of 20, so it can't be that bracket. So therefore, this bracket here on the bottom must be the negative 4. And what do I have times negative 4 to get back to negative 20? Well, in this case, I'm missing plus 5. Now, cancelling common factors on both the top and bottom. Hence, my final answer in simplest form is x plus 3 in the top over 2x plus 5 on the bottom.